In this session, we are going to talk about transactions. Okay, so let's first start with the definition of a transaction. What is a transaction? I say transaction is a logical unit of work. Okay, so what do I mean by this? I say that this logical unit is comprising of several database manipulations that constitute a single real-world operation. That constitute a single real-world operation. Okay, it is one real-world operation. So let's take an example so that we can understand this concept better. Okay. For example, let's see the concept of a fund transfer. Okay. Let's suppose Rebel buys a watch over the internet. Okay. So, in order to buy the watch, he has to transfer some money from his account to the merchant's account. So, our operations would be something like, let's suppose we have a local variable R, and in this we first read Rebel's balance. Okay. Then I would say decrease the balance by 5,000. Let's suppose the watch is for 5,000. Okay, and I would write this new value of balance. Okay, let's suppose write Rebel's balance, comma R. That means I'm saying I'm writing the value R to Rebel's balance. Similarly, I would also need to update the merchant's balance. So I would say merchant is read merchant's balance. Okay, I'll just write bal. Then I would say increase the merchant balance by 5,000. What basically happening is this 5,000 is coming to this 5,000. Okay, and I would now write the new balance back. So I would say write merchant's balance. I'll write it as bal M. Okay, so this whole thing is my single transaction. This entire thing is my single transaction, right? Because it basically is doing a single real world operation, which is the fund transfer. So I call this as a transaction. Okay. Now we will see what are the desirable properties of a transaction. Desirable properties. Okay. These are also called as acid properties.